Hello guys, welcome to AI with Flimsy. In today's video, I bring to you two powerful free AI tools that you can use to convert your static images into realistic moving video. The best part is that one of these two I'm going to be sharing with you guys can actually make your image characters talk. Yes, just like this particular one I animated.
I must take my studies serious.
So guys, if this is what you want to watch, please stick to this video to the end. And mind you, towards the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you a secret way of how you can use these free tools. These two tools I'm about to share with you guys, how to use them unlimitedly without having any hindrance of running out of credit or anything. So if this is what you like, stick to this video to the end and let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for RoboNeo AI. Click on the official website. Once it opens, we need to create an account. Click on login and you're going to see several sign up options. I personally recommend choosing continue with Google because it is the fastest method, and also if you have Gmail accounts logged into your device, you can simply just click on them and get signed up. Select a Gmail account you want to use and complete the sign-in process. Once you have successfully signed up, you will receive 70 permanent credits plus 20 free credits every day that automatically refresh at midnight. Now, if you are an AI content creator, you are probably already asking, what if I run out of credits? Don't worry, later in this video, I'll show you a simple trick that allows you to keep generating content, creating videos and images without getting stuck when your credits are exhausted. But first, let's create our first AI video from an image. Click on New Project. You will be asked to choose a mode. Select the workflow mode. Once you are inside the workflow interface, delete the default node and click the upload icon. Now upload the image you want to animate. Once your image appears on the canvas, move to the prompt section and type a simple instruction such as animate this image naturally. Mind you, the image I uploaded in this place was generated with ChatGPT. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to also use RoboNeo AI to actually generate images. If you want your character to talk, simply add the exact dialogue you want the character to say. Now click send and watch the AI transform your static image into a moving video using its workflow notes. This is quite impressive, right? But that's not all. Let's also create an image from scratch using only text. Stay inside the workflow tab and paste your image prompt into the prompt box. Next, select your preferred model. This example, I am using Nano Banana Pro. Set your preferred resolution, output format and aspect ratio. Then click on Run. Within moments, the AI generates a high-quality image that looks professionally created. And yes, you can download it directly to your device. Now that we have generated a few images and videos, you will notice our credits have started going down. So here's the trick I promised you guys earlier. If you have used up your available credits, simply log out of your current account. When you return to the sign-in page, click on Continue with Google again. It is very important for you to create multiple Gmail accounts and emails so that once you have multiple email accounts, once you exhaust the credits in one particular one, you can simply sign in with another different account and receive a fresh set of free credits. This is especially useful if you are creating lots of AI videos and images and you don't want your workflow to get interrupted. Now let's move on to the bonus tool that I mentioned to you guys at the beginning of this video. And trust me, this one is worth paying attention to. Most people either ignore it or use it incorrectly, which is why they assume that this tool is not free. The name of the second tool I'll be sharing with you guys that converts images to video is called Flow AI. Just search for Flow AI on your browser and open the official website. Once you are there, click on Create with Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. After signing up, you will receive free daily credits that refresh automatically. Now, let's see what makes this tool special. Click on New Project so that you get started. The first thing we are going to do is to create an image completely from text. What is interesting is that image generation in Flow AI is free and does not consume your video generation credits because you are being given 50 free credits once you use an email address to sign up on Flow AI. Select your preferred aspect ratio. Choose the image generation model you want to use. Then paste your prompt and click on Generate. In less than a minute, your image will be ready. To download it, click the three dots beside the image and select the download option. And just like that, you have generated a high quality image without spending any credits. If you check your credit balance, you're going to notice that it hasn't changed. That's one of the reasons why many creators love using Flow AI to generate their images because image generation is free. Now, let's take things a step further. Let's turn that image into a video. To do this, switch the mode from image generation to video generation. You will now see several video models that are available. Some are faster, some are high quality, and each of those video models consume a different number of credits. For instance, VO 3.1 Lite costs 10 credits. Omni Flash costs 12 credits. VO 3.1 Fast costs 20 credits, while VO 3.1 Quality costs 100 credits. If you are trying to maximize your daily credits, I recommend starting with VO 3.1 Lite model because it gives a great balance between quality and credit usage. Now click on the plus icon in the prompt area. Select Upload Media. Choose the image you want to animate and upload it. Once the image appears, click Add to Prompt. Now type a clear description of how you want the image to move. For instance, this particular image of somebody about entering a typical Nigerian bus, I just put in a prompt saying that she enters into the bus. Include natural movement, realistic facial expression, cinematic lightning, then click on Generate. After a short processing time, your image becomes a video and the results can be surprisingly realistic. But here's where things get interesting. What if you want the character to actually speak? All you need to do is upload your image just like you did before. Then in your prompt area, include the exact words you want the character to say. For instance, the image I uploaded is of a little boy who is actually burning the midnight lantern to read. I put this prompt saying, I want him to say, I must take my studies seriously. Place the dialogue inside a quotation mark so that the AI clearly understand what should be spoken. Then describe the scene around it. For example, say, a young boy looks determined and says, I must take my studies seriously. Click on Generate and wait for the results. You will see the character speaking naturally while maintaining the appearance of your original image.
I
That is
must take
how
my
easy
studies
it is to
serious.
transform ordinary images into engaging videos with talking characters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I regularly share powerful AI tools and content creation strategies that can save you hours of work. Thanks so much for watching.